This work demands precision. Artists and conservators from across the country are brought in to restore what time, fire, and water have nearly erased. Originally painted in the late 1940s by Dutch-born artist Anthony Heinsbergen, these murals carry decades of history and damage. Every surface is approached carefully, cleaned inch by inch, stabilized, repaired, and slowly brought back. The hand skills and talented muralists are what make this level of restoration possible. There's no shortcut here. Each decision is deliberate. Every touch is controlled. What was once obscured by smoke or compromised by water begins to re-emerge. Color returns. Detail sharpens. The original work becomes visible again. This isn't recreation, it's conservation. The work continues and will be here, documenting each step as it comes back to life.